Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm finishing my little mini series using the Sigma mini eyeshadow palettes. I have now done a video with each of the mini palettes, so today I had to use the Ambiance palette and I created this super simple bronzy eye look, and I only used one eyeshadow brush to do this whole eye look and my fingers, of course. So if you want to see how I got this really easy bronzy eye look, go ahead and keep on watching. Here is what the mini Ambiance palette looks like. You get 7 shades for $27, and you can always use my code ANGELABRIGHT to save 10% on Sigma's website. I'm going to start with the Sigma E25 in the shade Daylily, and I'm going to start this shade in the center of my crease. And then I'm picking up more shadow and I'm adding that to the outer and inner corner to make a little halo eye. So I'm leaving the center of my lid blank for now, and then using the tip of the brush I picked up more Daylily, and I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. And now for the center of the lid, you can almost take like any of the shimmers in this palette. You could take Luster, Candlelight, or even Sunflower. For today's look, I'm going to take Candlelight. So I just have that on my finger, and I'm going to press that into the center of my lid. And then going back to my E25, I'm just going to blend around that shimmer. And then I think I want to deepen up the outer and inner corner just a little bit more. So on that same brush I've been using, I'm going to take Oasis on the tip of it, and I'm going to stamp that on the outer and inner corner. I'm also going to bring a little bit of Oasis on my lower lash line. So now I'm going to take the highlighter I would use on my face. This is Sigma Moonbeam, and I'm going to take a little bit on my pinky, and I'm just going to press that in my inner corner. And a tiny bit in the very center of my lid. Ooh, see how that just made it like pop a little bit more? And then a tiny bit under your brow. Like I said, I want to keep this look pretty simple today, so I'm going to do just mascara and no fake lashes. And for my mascara, I'm going to use the MAC Max Stack. Alright, my mascara is on, and this is what the final eye look looks like. This mascara is freaking amazing. Like, my lashes look so thick and so full. Alright, that is it. That is my super simple bronzy eye look using only one brush and my fingers, of course. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.